Good morning, my community. Sun's coming up, moon's going down. I think we're supposed to get a full moon tonight. It's a little brisk this morning. It's about 40, 44, 45. Good old cup of coffee this morning. So, gonna be busy today. We're going to be putting together a Vegogarden. I've seen some other channels do these videos, so we're gonna give it a try too. I think we got two separate ones. And my grandson is here, and so he's going to help Grandpa put those together this morning, and we're going to see where we're going to put them. We're going to talk about how we're going to fill them and what we're going to fill them with, and then we're going to talk about what we're going to plant them. So it is going to be a beautiful day today. We are looking at around 78 degrees here in North Texas on February the 24th. I think so. 24th. My goodness. So we do look like next week we're going to get a little cool. It doesn't look like it's going to get as cool as they thought we were going to get. So far we're in the clear. Our tomato plants are doing great. Eager to get things going. I bet you are too. So it's been a while since I've been on the back acre because it's been raining and it's very, very muddy. But I want to check out the soil back here because it's about time for Greg to get out here and start tilling so that we can see what we're working with and start planning what we're going to plant back here. So he planted the oats, you may remember, last summer, and they started coming up around the pumpkins as a cover crop. We wanted to get this soil worked up a little bit, get some mycorrhizal fungi in there and some good bacteria so that whenever we planted this spring, we would be in good shape as far as soil goes. So let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So y'all may remember, look at that. Y'all may remember how this looked last year. It was nothing but a bunch of big clods of dirt. And now it's looking like some really good workable soil for what we're gonna plant back here. I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait. We're really ramping things up this year, guys. My goodness, grocery bills are just out of this world. And so we're ramping things up to can and to feed us and to also share with our neighbors and support the farm and support our community. So this back acre, I think, is gonna come in handy for a lot of great vegetables. See, my friends, if I didn't know any better, I'd tell you that we are at the end of March, not at the end of February. This could be very concerning. Got some pretty little daffodils that I planted a couple of years ago, and they hadn't come up yet until this year. So let's get down to business now, guys. We have this extra tall 10-in-1 modular raised bed by Vegogarden. 10 different configurations, 20-year lifespan. That'll outlast me. 32 inches high, 100% recyclable material, and it takes about an hour to assemble. So we're really excited to see how this does because we are always looking for a way to grow our food, and you know we love to do raised bed gardening, container gardening. So this is going to be a fantastic addition to our little farm here. Here are all the different ways you can make this one. Here's how it's packaged up. Looks like all the hardware is the same size, guys, so you don't have to be sorting through a bunch. Yeah. Woo-wee, guys, I see where my sweet potatoes are gonna come from this year. Yes. Okay. So there was two different types of fasteners, guys. The tops of these have the little buttons, and then we have stabilizing bars. This thing is absolutely huge. How long is it, honey?
It's, I think 9.5.
9.5 feet.
By 2.5.
And this ain't 3 feet tall?
Yeah, and then 3 feet tall.
Oh, 2.5 by 3 feet tall. Man, this is gonna give us a load of sweet potatoes. So guys, this is it. You can see it is huge. And it takes 2.5 square yards of soil, guys. So we'll have to bring some in. The good thing about it is Greg will be able to load it with his tractor. But this is the size we chose because we really wanted something for the sweet potatoes. We wanted it to be deep and long. Had to put that chair in there so I could get out, believe it or not. Yeah, we like. I don't think for the money you can really go wrong with this. If you were to try to build some of the wooden ones like we did, you're probably going to spend in excess of what the cost of this is. And it's very, very sturdy. Very sturdy. Yeah. So we'll lay some wheat cloth down in the bottom, and then we'll fill it up with dirt. And then when it's time, we are going to put our sweet potato slips in here, and I bet we get a heaping load of them, guys. And for those of you that can't bend over, because Greg and I are getting like that really quick, this would be a fantastic bed to put in your backyard. You know, get somebody to fill it for you, and you could put your tomatoes, your peppers, your herbs. You could grow anything in this Vegogarden, guys. I'm really impressed with it. We have another one that we're going to put up that is a little bit shorter. I think it's 2 feet tall. So when we do that one, we will show you that, and we're going to line that up right here next to this one. So we'll have it right in front of the small high tunnel. But yeah, we're very impressed. We're impressed with the quality. We're impressed with the price. We're impressed with how easy it was to put together. It had everything that you needed. And the only thing I disagree with is that it takes about 50 minutes. I'd say it took us probably combined about 2.5 hours. Now that's us. If somebody's younger than us, it might not take as long, but that's where we're at right now, guys. So thank you for watching. I'm going to put the link down below, and you can go check these out. And whenever we get that second one put up, we'll put it right there, and I'll do another short video on it and show you, because now we are getting really super excited about spring planting. Love you all. See you soon.